Kinakabahan yung lalaki.
Okay.
Nakabahan? How did you know?
Ibigin ka at sa habang panahon kaya tayo natin kung kaysa na naman isipin na tayong dalawa ay isang naman aking ibibigay ang nilalaman.
At this point, I'd like to call the major sponsors. First, may I call on Mr. Joe Umali with Miss Remy Entrada. Okay, thank you so much. Miss Remy is a good friend of the bride's family, and also Mr. Joe Umali. Thank you for your presence. And I'd like to call on Mr. Pastor Teddy Niserio and Mrs. Miriam Niserio on behalf of Miss Nerva Manantig. Pastor Teddy is the uncle of the bride, and Miss Miriam Niserio is the aunt of the bride. Representing another aunt who's not here with us because she's in Canada. Thank you so much. To call the one representing Icocho, to represent Miss Annabelle Gomez, and led by our very helpful best man, Ricky Jack. Okay, I'd also like to call on to represent Miss Mel Niserio. I'd like to call on Miss Lerma Gamunido to represent Miss Mel Niserio as well. She's not with us, she's in Canada. And I'd also like to mention that we have our sponsors, Mr. Samson Galanay and Leonie Mabago. They're on their way and they'll be joining us in a few minutes. Thank you so much. Okay. May I request everybody to please